In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Gemini API quota and rate limits, Google AI Studio plus Cloud Console. Before we begin, here's why this matters. Your quota and rate limits determine how many requests you can send and how quickly you can send them. Knowing these numbers helps you avoid errors, plan throughput, and size your application correctly. Start by heading to Google AI Studio in your browser. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account connected to your project. The interface may evolve over time, but you'll land in a workspace where you can manage prompts and settings. If you have multiple projects, confirm you're viewing the one tied to the API key you use in your app so the numbers you see match your actual usage context. Once you're in AI Studio, look for the section that manages API keys. Click into API Key. This takes you to a page that lists the keys associated with your account. If you already use Gemini in your application, you should see the key you've been calling from your code. Select the relevant key to open its details. As a quick reminder, keep your API key private and avoid exposing it in client-side code or screenshots. It's a good idea to give your keys clear names so you can instantly tell which environment or app they belong to. Inside the key details, click on Rate Limit. This is where AI Studio surfaces the limits applied to that specific key. You'll typically see requests per minute caps and, in some cases, daily or monthly quotas. Limits can vary by model and operation type, so pay attention to the model family you're using and whether the limit shown is for text generation, embeddings, or other endpoints. If you're building features that stream responses or send large payloads, note that practical throughput might differ slightly due to token sizes and server-side checks. If you're approaching your limit, consider a few best practices to stay reliable. Add client-side throttling so you pace calls smoothly rather than in bursts. Implement exponential backoff when you receive rate limit responses, which helps your app recover gracefully. Batch non-urgent work and spread it out over time. And cache frequently repeated results to reduce duplicate calls. That's all you need to quickly check your Gemini API quota and rate limits in AI Studio. These values align with what you'll see reflected at the project level in Google Cloud. But AI Studio gives you a fast, key-centric view that's perfect for day-to-day development. If the interface looks slightly different on your screen, the labels may have moved, but the path remains the same. Open AI Studio, go to API Key, then open Rate Limit to review your caps.